Good evening, children.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, children. Good evening. Yeah, so first let's see the answers to the assignment I had sent the other day. All right, so the first one, the heading, factorize. So the first one, 25 x squared. Sorry, children, just a minute. Yeah, children. So the first one, 25 by 4 x squared minus y squared by 9. So which is the identity we have to use here to factorize this expression?
A square minus square.
A squared minus b squared.
minus b square.
Correct. So now this expression has only two terms, like in a square minus b square. Okay, both the terms are perfect squares. So the identity to be used is a squared minus b squared, which is equal to a plus b into a minus b. A plus b into a minus b. So you must first write the given expression as a the whole square minus b the whole square. So see here, I'll use empty brackets. Here. A the whole square minus b the whole square. So now the square of which rational number is 25 by 4?
5.
5 by 5.
5.
5 by 2. The square of the rational number 5 by 2 is 25 by 4. 5 into 5 is 25. 2 into 2 is 4. So 5 by 2 into 5 by 2. 5 by 2 into 5 by 2 is 25 by 4. And then x square we have there. So x into x is x square. So the square of 5 by 2x, the square of 5 by 2x will give us 25 by 4x square. Minus, so now we understand it should be y by 3 here. Y by 3 the whole square. So what is your a here? What is your a here?
5
by 2.
5 by 2x. A is 5 by 2x. See, this is a square minus this is b square. A, which one are you calling as a? 5 by 2x. A square minus this is b square. So a is 5 by 2x and b is y by 3. And how do we factorize? What are the two factors? A plus b, a minus b. So how do you write a plus b? A is 5 by 2x plus b plus y by 3 into a minus b. A is 5 by 2x minus b minus y by 3. So these are the two factors. These are the two factors of the given expression. Sorry, children, I'm very sorry. Thank you, children. So these are the two factors of the given expression. 5 by 2x plus y by 3 is one factor of the given expression. 5 by 2x minus y by 3 is the other factor of the given expression. And from the videos, you should have understood that whenever you factorize an expression, you will see that the answer will be a product of the factors. Like, for example, if we have to factorize the number 24, 24 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. So this is factorization. Now writing 24 as 10 plus 14, this is not factorization. Factorize meaning the resultant, the final answer will be a product of the factors. The final answer will be a product of the factors. So like you see here, 2 into 2 into 2 into 3, product of the factors, prime factors. Similarly, you see here, this is one factor into this is the other factor. If you get your answer like something minus something, you're wrong. You have not factorized. It should be the answer when the heading is factorized, the answer should be some factor into some factor into some factor, whatever. It may have how many other factors, but it should be a product of the factors. There should be no plus or minus sign in the middle. The expression here, see, like here, this expression is in this expression you find a positive sign. In this expression here there's a negative sign. That is okay, but this is one factor. This is the other factor. Between the two factors is the multiplication sign. Okay, so that means you're factorized. So a square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b. All right, next one. I'll clear the slide. So 5 root 5 x square plus 30x plus 8 root 5. Yes, what's the first step?
Ma'am, we have to find the sum and
Product, ma'am.
You should write out the sum and product. Okay. Before that? Before that? Louder. Children, please keep your videos on. Yes, somebody said something. Please come again. Before that, before sum and product, before that. I've told you something in the videos.
Ma'am, we have to split the middle term.
Yeah, we have to split the middle term. Before that. Okay, so when you have an expression to be factorized, the first thing you have to check is if all the terms have some factor or something in common. The first step before you see that is also one of the steps in factorization. Whenever you look at an expression, see if all the terms of the expression, now this expression has 3 terms. See if there is something common between all the 3 terms. See if there is something common between all the 3 terms. What's common between all these 3 terms?
Root 5 is common, ma'am.
Root 5 is common. Root 5 is common. So take out the common factor. Take out the common factor. So root 5 is common. So the first step will be to take out the common factor. So when you take out, now x is not common because this one, the last term does not have x. Root 5 is common. So what in the bracket? What will be the first term in the bracket?
5x square, ma'am.
5x. 5x square plus. Now 30 is what? 30 is
6
1
times
minute.
5, ma'am.
6 into 5. 1 minute. Let me just say so that all of us understand. So 30 is 6 into 5 and 5 can be further written as root 5 into root 5. So 30 is basically 6 into root 5 into root 5. 30 is 6 5s are 30 and 5 can be further written as root 5 into root 5. Now root 5 is common. So what should you write in the bracket? 6 root 5. 6 root 5 because there is one root 5 outside. So you must write 6 root 5 here. Now this root 5 into 6 root 5. See here, root 5 into 6 root 5 is 30. X. Now what here? Plus
8, ma'am.
8.
8.
So yeah, root 5. So it's like this root 5. Let me write the step again. You take out something common. The HCF, not something, the HCF. Whatever is the highest common factor. So root 5 is common between all the three terms. Now root 5 into 5x squared will give us the first term. Plus root 5 into 6 root 5x will give us the second term. 6 root 5 into root 5 is 30. You can see it here. Plus we have 8 root 5 here, but root 5 is common, so 8. So this is the first step. Now ignore root 5, which is outside the bracket. Ignore that. We need to factorize this expression. What is the sum? What is the sum?
6 root 5, ma'am.
6 root 5. What is the product?
40.
5 into 8, 40. 5 into 8, 40. Now, what are the factors of 40? 40 is equal to 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 5s are 40. Like this method, 40, to always this method, 40, 2 20 times, 2 10 times, 2 5s, 5 times, and 5 1s are. This one only. Instead of doing this, we just write it straight away like this. 2 into 2 into 2 into 5. But since the sum is 6 root 5, you need to write 5. The sum is 6 root 5. So you need to write root 5 as, write all the 2's as they are into, write 5 as root 5 into root 5. Write 5 as root 5 into root 5. Now you need to get 6 root 5. So what are the two factors? See, both the numbers should have root 5 in it. Something you must write here root 5, something you must write here root 5. Both the numbers should have root 5. Only then you will get the sum 6 root 5. Now you must use all these numbers. See, this root 5 and root 5 we've already used. Now you need to use these 3 2's.
Ma'am, 4 root 5 plus 2 root 5.
Yeah, so use 2 to the 4 here and this 2 here. You must use all the factors. You must use all the factors. 4 root 5 and 2 root 5 are the two numbers. See, we have made use of all the factors. Since the sum is 6 root 5 and root 5, you can see here root 5 and root 5. Now we are left with 3 2's. 2 2's are 4, 4 root 5. And this 2 which is remaining, 2 root 5. So now you multiply and see 4 root 5 and 2 root 5, you will get 40. Because how did you get the numbers 4 root 5 and 2 root 5? From the factors of 40 only. We used all the factors of 40 and we formed two numbers 4 root 5 and 2 root 5. So the product will be 40. The sum is 6 root 5. Both should carry a positive sign. So now split the middle term. Now split the middle term. So it will be root 5 open bracket, the first term as it is, the middle term is split as 4 root 5x plus 2 root 5x, and the last term 8 as it is. Now what do we do? As usual, we group the first two terms and the last two terms. What is common between the first two terms?
Root 5x, ma'am.
Root 5x, because 5 is made up of root 5 and root 5. 5 is root 5 into root 5. So between x square and x, between this x square and x is common. 5 and 4 root 5 is common because 5 is made up of 2 root 5s. Root 5 into root 5 is 5. So root 5, between 5 and 4 root 5 is common. Between x square and x is common. So take out the common factor, open a bracket. Root 5x into what will give you 5x square?
Root 5x, ma'am.
Yeah.
Yeah, root 5 into root 5 is 5. Root 5 into root 5 is 5. X into x is x square. Now how will you get the second term? How will we get the second term?
Into 4, ma'am.
4, just 4. Because root 5x into 4 is 4 root 5x. Close the bracket. Now group the last two terms. What's common between 2 root 5x and 8? X is not common because 8 does not have x in it. X is not common. What is common between 2 root 5 and 8?
2,
2,
ma'am.
ma'am.
2, ma'am.
2. Write this plus sign as it is. This plus sign as it is. This sign, this one as it is. 2 is common. Open a bracket. 2 into what will give you the third term?
Root 5x.
Root 5x, ma'am.
Root 5x plus 2 into what will give you 8?
4.
4.
Yeah. So now this root 5 which is outside as it is, open bracket, 5 root 5x plus 4 is common. You can see here root 5x plus 4 in both the brackets. So write that out once, root 5x plus 4 and then root 5x plus 2. Root 5x plus 2, this root 5x plus 2 in the other bracket. So the factors of the given expression are root 5, root 5x plus 4, root 5x plus 2. These are the factors of the given expression. I'll tell you something else. So I can make out that some of us have factorize, but without taking root 5 common, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, I'll also work it like that and show that we can get the same answer. But I don't want you to practice that because whenever it is factorize, it's you know, what do I say? It's better you take out the common factor from the expression. When all the terms of the expression have something in common, you must make it a, practice to take out the common factor. Because in some places, when you forget that, you will not be able to factorize at all. In some places, when you don't take out the common factor, you will not be able to factorize.
Yes, ma'am.
So remember this as a slogan. Whenever we have to factorize an expression, if all the terms of the expression have something in common, take out that common factor. That's the golden rule in factorization. Yeah, please write down this if you have not done it this way. We'll also do it without taking root 5 common and see that we'll get the same answer.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Done, children?
No, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, it's over, children. Done?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Done, ma'am.
All right, children. Yeah. Now we'll do the same thing without taking root 5 common. So 5 root 5 x square plus 30x plus 8 root 5. So what is the sum? What's the sum? 30. What's the product? 5 root 5
200.
to 8 root 5.
200.
Yeah, 8 5s are 40. Root 5 into root 5 is 5. 40 into 5 is 200. So how do we split the middle term? 20 and 10 are the two numbers.
Yes, ma'am.
Correct? 20 and 10. 20 and 10. Because 20 into 10 is 200. 20 plus 10 is 30. The sum.
Yes, ma'am.
20 plus 10 is 30 and 20 into 10 is 200. So the two numbers are 20 and 10. So 5 root 5 x square, right? The first term as it is, split the middle term. Plus 20x plus 10x. You can write anything first. Anything first. Split the middle term. So you know that, see, 20x plus 10x is nothing but 30x. You're not changing the expression. You're just writing 30x as 20x plus 10x. And the last term as it is, 8 root 5. Now, as usual, group the first two terms and the last two terms. What's common between 5 root 5 x square and 20x?
Root 5x. Root 5.
So what is 20? So see, now maybe we can't, guess. So how do you actually work and find out what's common? How do you actually work and figure out what's common? So take up 20. You know that 5 root 5 is root 5 into root 5 into root 5 because 5 is root 5 into root 5. 5 is root 5 into root 5 and root 5. So 5 root 5 has 3 root 5s in it. So we know that. Now we don't know what's in 20. So what is in 20? 5 4s are 20. 5 4s are 20. And 5 can be further written as root 5 into 4. Now you decide what is 5 root 5. See, just write the two numbers. Just break up the numbers. Break up the numbers. See, 5 root 5 is root 5 into root 5 into root 5. 20 is root 5 into root 5 into 4. Now you check what is common. Only root 5, only one root 5 is common. Yes, children. There's
Yes,
another root 5 common, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Then what is common?
5, ma'am.
5, ma'am.
Let me tell you again. Let me tell you again. Now, if we cannot look at the numbers and guess the correct common factor, write out the numbers here. I wrote 5 root 5. I want to know what is in 5 root 5. So I write 5 root 5 is 5 into root 5 basically. And this 5 is further root 5 into root 5 and that root 5 as it is. So this is what is in 5 root 5. Now 20. Now 20, I'm writing this 5 into 4 because the other number has 5s in it. No, so I want to write it as 5 into 4. Or children, see, don't worry. See, if you want to write 5 as 2 into 2 into 5, that's fine. Let me write that only so that all of us understand clearly. Okay, so you want to write 20 as 2 into 2, 4 into 5, all completely with the prime factors. 20 is 2 into 2 into 5. Okay, now you don't want to do anything with 2 and 2 because this one has only root 5. So 2 into 2 into root 5 into root 5. So what is common? What's common? There is 1 root 5. There's 1 root 5. There's 1 root 5. There is 1 root 5. So that means 5 is common. That means 5 is common. That means 5x is common. Between 5 root 5 x square and 20x, 5x is common. X square and x is common. 5 root 5 and 20, I just showed you. There are 2 root 5s common. That means 5. So 5x. Now 5x into what will give you the first term? Come back here. We have taken out this common. So you should write root 5. In the bracket, you must write root 5 and x. Root 5 and x. Now you multiply these two, you will get the first term. Plus, you know 5 4s are 20. You can also see it here. These two factors. 2 into 2 is 4. So 4. Close the bracket. What's common between 10x and 8 root 5?
2 root 5, ma'am.
Yeah, we should be careful there. So see your children. 10. What is 10? 10 is 2 5s are 10. And since that 8 root 5 has root 5 in it, you should write 5 as root 5 into root 5. And 8 root 5 is what? 8 root 5 is 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8 into root 5. Please do this in your rough column. Please do this in your rough column. 10 is 2 5s. See, now if you're like, how do I know I should write it as 2 5s? Find the prime factors. Use this method, that's all. Use this method. 10 is 2 5s. Why we are not writing 2 as root 2 into root 2? Because the other number has no root 2 in it. So we write 2 as this and 5 as root 5 into root 5. Now when you take up 8 root 5, 8 is 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8 and that root 5 as it is. Now strike out what is common. There is a 2 here, there is a 2 here. There is a root 5 here, there's a root 5 here. That means 2 root 5 is common. 2 root 5 is common plus 2 root 5 is common. Open bracket. Now if 2 root 5 is common, what is remaining here? Root 5. That will come inside the bracket for 10. See, a 2 root 5 is taken out common. So this root 5 will come inside the bracket. X plus. Now this for 8 root 5, 2 root 5 is common. So 2 to the 4 inside the bracket. When you multiply these two, you will get 10x. When you multiply these two, you will get 8 root 5. So
Yes.
this is equal to, yeah, this is equal to. Now write out what is common, root 5x plus 4, root 5x plus 4, root 5x plus 4. So write that out once, root 5x plus 4. And in the other bracket, you will write 5x plus 2 root 5. Now, the earlier answer, I don't have it on my screen, so you can check it with your book. You have this factor, root 5x plus 4 you have. Yes or no, children? In the earlier working?
Yes, ma'am.
You all have root 5x plus 4, but you don't have this 5x plus 2 root 5. Okay, so I'll just write this 5x plus 2 root 5 first. And then I'll write this root 5x plus 4. Now, what is common between 5 and 2 root 5? No, in the second bracket, there's nothing common. Between root 5 and 4, there's nothing common. So no, I just put that in the end. Between root 5x and 4, there is nothing common. Except one. What's common between 5 and 2 root 5?
Root 5.
Root
ma'am.
5, ma'am.
Root 5 is common. That comes out. So what in the bracket?
Root 5x.
Root 5x, ma'am.
Plus
Plus 2, ma'am.
plus 2. And that root 5x plus 4. So if you don't take out the common factor in the beginning, you should take it out in the end. If you don't take out that common factor in the beginning, you will get that step in the end. That's the difference.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, there is nothing like a better method or correct method. Both are correct. You can do it, in both the ways. But as I told you earlier, practice taking out the common factor if there is. Earlier working, we took out root 5 common in the first step itself. Here we'll just say that we forgot to take out root 5 common. So in the end, after we factorize, we take it out. How many videos are on? Raja, Tanishka, Sanjay, Sindhu, always very good. Madhumita. Tanishka also always keeps a video on. Sindhu and Sanjay always. Krishmika Shri also always very good. But now it was off. All right, children, very good. Please take down, children. Yes, children. Can I clear the slide?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. All right. Next one. Three x square plus 4y square plus 25z square minus 4 root 3 xy minus 20 yz plus 10 root 3 zx or xz, whatever. So how many terms does this expression have?
6.
Six
Six
terms.
terms. How many terms can be expressed as a perfect square?
3 terms, ma'am.
Three terms. Three terms. So there is only one identity. There is nothing that you're getting confused with that and this. There is only one identity. On one side of the identity, you will have six terms, of which 3 are perfect squares.
Yes, ma'am.
So this expression looks like this expression. I'm writing the identity. This expression looks like a square plus b square plus c square. See, 3 perfect squares. 3x square, 4y square, 25z square, 3 perfect squares, plus 2ab. Don't mind, ignore the signs. Plus 2bc, plus 2ca. It looks like this. You should make it look like this. So you must make the given expression look like a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. So once you show that it is of this form, the answer is a plus b plus c, the whole square. This is the answer. I've told you. An identity has two sides, LHS and RHS. If the question is like the left-hand side, the right-hand side is the answer. If the question is like the right-hand side, the left-hand side is the answer. So you will say the identity is a plus b plus c the whole square is equal to a square. You will say that the identity is a plus b plus c the whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2c. Why you are writing it ulta like this? Why are you writing it the other way around? You should write it like this. You can write it anyways. I will always write the question first and then the answer. You can write it anyways. The question does not look like this, no. So I did not write it like this. I did not write it like this. The question looks like the LHS. I'll always write the, the question in the LHS. So the given expression, question meaning the given expression looks like the LHS. So the answer is the RHS. We say question and answer. No, we don't say answer and question. So I'll always write the identity like question and answer. So you can write it either ways. I choose to write it like this. So now your task is to show that the 6 terms look like these 6 terms. A square, b square, c square, 2ab, 2bc, 2c. So for that, what you have to do? You must put empty brackets. A square plus take the signs from the identity and not from the given question. Take all the signs from the identity. A square plus b square plus c square plus 2 into a into b plus 2 into b into c plus 2 into c into a. You must show that the given expression is of this form. So what will come in the first bracket?
Root 3x, ma'am.
Yeah, root 3x. Root 3x outside. Don't write like this. Don't write like this. X will not come under the square root. X not under the square root. X outside the square root. Root 3 into root 3 is 3. X into x is x squared. So 3x squared. Second bracket.
2y, ma'am.
2y. Third bracket.
5z, ma'am.
Yeah.
5z, ma'am.
5z. Because 5z into 5z is 25z squared. 2y into 2y is 4y squared. Root 3 into root 3 is 3. X into x is x squared. So now we have identified A, B, and C. Now, Arjun, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, tell me what are the values of A, B, and C?
1 minute, ma'am.
Ma'am, can I say?
Is it there with Archini?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, tell me what's the value of A?
Ma'am, 4 3x5.
What's the value of A?
Ma'am, 3x square.
No.
Ma'am?
Yes.
Ma'am, can I say, ma'am?
Who's that?
100, ma'am.
1 minute. Please. Tanishka.
Yes,
What are the values of A, B, and C?
root 3x is A, ma'am. 2y is B, ma'am. C is 5z.
Now what should I write in this bracket? The fourth bracket, what should I write? 2 into, what should I write?
2 into root 3x plus.
Oh, 1 minute, 1 minute, 1 minute. I forgot. Now, sorry, children. Before that, before we fill this, how many terms are negative?
2 terms.
2 terms.
Two.
2 terms are negative. Minus 4 root 3 xy and minus 20 yz. 2 terms are negative. What is the literal factor common in them? That letter xy, yz. What is common?
Y, ma'am.
Y, ma'am.
Y. The
Y,
literal factor meaning that letter, that variable, x, y. See, first identify the two negative terms. Okay, so 4 root 3 xy and minus 4 root 3 xy and minus 20 yz. They are the two negative terms which have y common. So go to that y term and fix a negative sign. Fix a negative sign to the y term. So b is minus 2y. B is minus 2y. But anyways, minus 2y into minus 2y is plus 4y square. Yes, going back to Tanishka. Tanishka, so in this bracket, 2 into root 3x into
minus 2y.
minus 2y. Very good. 2 into a, which is root 3x, into b, which is minus 2y. Now find the product, Tanishka. What's the product of these terms? What is 2 into root 3?
2 root 3x, ma'am.
Okay, into minus 2y. Find the product of all the numbers in that, all the terms in that bracket. What is 2 into minus 2? Tanishka, what is 2 into minus 2?
Minus 4, ma'am.
Into root 3?
Minus 4 root 3. X,
Into
y.
x into y? Minus 4 root 3
X,
xy. Yeah, can you see that term in the question? Minus 4 root 3 xy?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, so we have minus 4 root 3 xy is in the form 2ab. Minus 4 root 3 xy is in the form 2ab. See, we've written 2ab. Next, what should come here in the next bracket, Tanishka?
Minus 2y into 5z.
5z. Find the product. What is 2 into minus 2?
Minus 4.
Minus 4 into 5?
20.
Minus 20.
20.
Minus 20 yz.
Yes, ma'am.
Can you see that term minus 20 yz?
Yes, ma'am.
So there is a term which looks like 2bc. This one is 2ab. This one is 2ab. This one is 2bc. Now the last one is 2ca. What is c?
5z, ma'am.
What is a?
Root 3x, ma'am.
Now find the product. What is 5 2s?
10, ma'am.
10 into root 3?
10 root 3 is a x, ma'am.
Zx. 10 root 3 zx. So this is a square, this is b square, this is c square. This is the 2ab term, which is this. This is the 2bc term, which is this, and this is the 2ca term, which is this one. So we have shown, or we have expressed in the form, we have expressed the given expression in the form a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2c. So now the answer is a plus b plus c the whole square. A, this is a, plus b, this is b, plus c, this is the answer, plus c, this is c. A plus b plus c the whole square, the whole square. A plus b plus c the whole square. So which you can also write it as, a plus multiply minus into plus minus plus 5z the whole square, and write it 2 times. Root 3x minus 2y plus 5z into root 3x minus 2y plus 5z. Write it 2 times. A is root 3x, B is minus 2y, and C is 5z. Finished writing, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Please come forward to answer. Arjun, Jayant. Please participate, children. Only if you participate,
Yes,
I will
ma'am.
know where you stand and what you have understood.
Completed, ma'am.
All right. Raja understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, I'm clearing the slide. Next one. (9x squared minus 48x plus 64). There are three terms. There are only three terms. So when there are three terms, we have two options. When there are three terms, we have two options. What are the options? One is, it may look like a plus b the whole square or a minus b the whole square. That is, the three terms may be like a square minus 2ab plus b square, or it may be like a square plus 2ab plus b square. If it is not any of the two, then you should factorize by splitting the middle term. That's what normally, when we have three terms, normally this is what we have to do. When the expression to be factorized has three terms, check if you can express the three terms in the form a square minus 2ab plus b square or a square plus 2ab plus b square. Supposing it's not possible, you're not able to write them, bring them to this form. Then you should factorize by splitting the middle term. See, now supposing it was possible to express as a square minus 2ab plus b square or a square plus 2ab plus b square, but you did not realize that and you split the middle term, you will still get the correct answer. Supposing you could have done one of these two, but it didn't occur to you. So you had factorized by splitting the middle term. You will still get the correct answer. If you have not gone wrong with the steps anywhere, the final answer will be the same. You will get the same answer as you would get using this. So don't worry about that. So when there are three terms, what will you do? When there are three terms, you will check if you can write them in the form a square minus 2ab plus b square or a square plus 2ab plus b square. If it's not, then split the middle term. Now let me check. I am looking at this as a square and this one as plus b square and this one as minus 2ab. This one, the first term as a square minus the second one as 2 into a into b plus the third one as b square. There are 3 terms. So what should I write here, children?
3x, ma'am.
3x, ma'am.
3x. Because 3x into 3x. 3x the whole square means what? 3x into 3x, which is 9x square. And what should I write here?
8, ma'am. 8, ma'am.
8, ma'am.
8. 8 square is 64. So what is A?
3x, ma'am.
3x.
What is B?
3x, ma'am.
8.
8, ma'am.
8. So we'll write the 2AB. 2 into A into B. And we'll check. 2 3s are 6. 6 8s are 48x. Yeah, 48x. It's happening. So this is clearly the identity is a square minus 2ab plus b square is equal to a minus b the whole square, wherein your a is 3x and your b is 8. So the answer is a. So the question is like a square minus 2ab plus b square. And the answer is a minus b the whole square. 3x minus 8 the whole square, or 3x minus 8 into 3x minus 8. Write it 2 times.
Yes, ma'am.
You would have got the same answer even if you had split the middle term.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
So when you have 3 terms, check if it is like this: a square minus 2ab plus b square, or a square plus 2ab plus b square. If it's not, then split the middle term. Sometimes you will have the a square and b square term, but the 2ab term will not match. Now here it is 48x. No, supposing it was some 56x. The 2ab term, if it does not match, then you cannot use the identity. Don't think you're wrong. Maybe there are 2 perfect squares, a square and b square. Just because you have a square and b square doesn't mean that the 2ab term should match. No. Sometimes you will have a square and b square, but when you make the 2ab term, that will not match with what is in the given expression. So don't worry. Then split the middle term. Is it over?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
No, are we writing
Ma'am.
down? No. If it is different from what you have tried, you're supposed to write it in your book.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Clearing the slide. Done, all of you?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. 5th one. How many terms? Only 2 terms. And both the terms are perfect cubes. So what's the identity?
A cube minus b cube.
Minus 2 minus b cube, ma'am.
Yeah, but since the question has a and b in it, we'll write the identity using x and y.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, what is x cube minus y cube?
X minus y.
Yeah, now Sanjay, tell me, what is x cube minus y cube?
X minus y into x square plus x into y plus y square, ma'am.
Rajat, what is x cube minus y cube? No, don't look down. Look at your screen.
I'm asked it again.
No. Complete the identity x cubed minus y cubed. Children, don't look down into your book. What is
Ma'am,
x
x
cubed?
minus y into x
Ah.
square plus
Ah.
xy plus y square.
Okay, Raja. Raja, complete the identity. Complete the identity x cubed minus y cubed.
Ma'am, can you hear me?
Now I can.
Yes, ma'am. Sorry, ma'am, there was a network issue.
Yes, you go ahead. I can hear you. You tell me the answer.
What, ma'am? Which one, ma'am? Ma'am?
Are you focusing, Raja? Are you mindfully in the class?
Ma'am?
Okay, Tanishka. X cube minus y cube.
X minus y, x square plus xy plus y square.
Tanishka, you joined late. Have you watched all the videos on polynomials?
I have watched half only, ma'am.
Okay, okay. And have you written out all those the contents of all the videos in your notebook? Or you're
Yes,
still to write? Or you've written?
yes, ma'am.
Okay. Raja, please repeat the identity which Tanishka just said.
Ma'am, xy.
This is called physically present, mentally absent. I don't know if it's an internet issue. I don't know.
I'm seriously.
Then in that case, how are you following the class?
No, ma'am, just no, ma'am.
Okay, tell me any one of the algebraic identities you have seen in the videos.
Ma'am, in this class you told that a square minus b square.
Not in this class. I shared some videos with you, no? The very first video, you were introduced to, I think, about 12 to 13 identities.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Tell me any one of them.
A square minus b square is equal to...
That is 8th standard. Say something of 9th standard. Madhumita, say something of 9th standard, any identity of 9th standard. I'm talking to only those children. Okay, Danya, she excused for not keeping a video on. I'm only talking to children whose videos are on. I don't know who else is in the meeting. Yes, Madhumita.
Ma'am, a plus b the whole cube is
Okay.
equal to a cube plus b cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square, ma'am.
Very good. Danya, any identity?
Yes, ma'am. A cube minus B cube.
That we just heard from some students. Something else?
A minus B the whole cube, ma'am.
Okay.
A cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube, ma'am.
Come again.
A cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b square b cube, ma'am.
Minus b cube. You told
Okay,
it correctly in the first. Yeah, yeah. plus minus plus minus. A cubed is plus. Then minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube. We are alternating between the plus and minus sign.
Yes, ma'am.
A cube is plus, no, positive, it is plus a cube. So a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cubed. Plus minus plus minus.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Who can complete the identity? A cubed plus b cubed plus c cubed minus 3abc. Eyes on the screen, not down.
0.
No, that's different. What is a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc?
A plus
Ma'am, shall I?
Don't browse in Google and tell me the answer looking at the screen. Oh yeah, Danya, yes.
Ma'am, it's a plus b plus c into a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus ca, ma'am.
Correct. A cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc is equal to, there are two factors. The first factor is a plus b plus c. The next one is, the second factor has many terms. That second factor has many terms. See, the expression a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc has two factors. One of it is a plus b plus c into a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus ca. That's the second factor. That second factor has 6 terms in it. A cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc is equal to, it's a product of two factors. A plus b plus c into a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus ca.
ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, can you please explain me about conditional identity, ma'am?
Yeah, sure. So the difference between this and the conditional identity. Okay, can we just discuss that at the end of this answer, Sindhu? Stop me at the end of this answer. Okay, we'll finish the 5th one, and before we start the 6th one, we'll discuss the conditional identity.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Yeah. So now this is x cube minus y cube, which is x minus y into x square plus xy plus y square. So the given expression is clearly of the form x the whole cube minus y the whole cube. A here and root 7 b here. A cubed, a the whole cube, a into a is a cube. And the second term, root 7 the whole cubed is root 7 into root 7 into root 7, which is 7 root 7. Root 7 into root 7 into root 7. This one is 7 root 7. 7 root 7. And b into b is b cubed. So the given expression is clearly of the form x the whole cube minus y the whole cube. Wherein your x is a and y is root 7b. So what's the answer? What is this step? In this step, we are only processing the given expression in the form x the whole cube minus y the whole cube. That's not the answer. We're just showing that the given expression is correctly of this form. Now the answer, which is in the RHS, x minus y, a minus root 7b into x square, a square plus xy. X is a, y is root 7b plus y square root 7b the whole square. It's cannot be easier, you know, you just have to substitute. You know who's x and who's y. In place of x, the answer is also there. The RHS is the answer. In place of x, you should use a. In place of y, you should use root 7b. That's all. The answer is there in the identity. Both the question and answer is in the identity. See the answer, x minus y. Who's x? A. Who's y? Root 7b. X minus y. A minus root 7b. X square, xy, y square. X is a. Xy, a into root 7b. Y square, root 7b the whole square. Substitute, that's all. Then the first bracket as it is, nothing can be simplified there. A square plus root 7ab plus 7b square. Because root 7 into root 7b into root 7b is 7b square. Done, children?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
All right. Yes, Sindhu. We'll do it now.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Okay. Now, you want to know how this identity is derived?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Okay. There are two ways actually. Maybe I'll do the second one, which is not in the video. I don't remember what was in the video. Okay, for the new students, the YouTube videos which I've shared are my videos, because some of you do not know. We are strangers interacting on this platform, right? You don't know, meaning you have not seen me. So the YouTube videos which I've shared are my own videos. It is not some random video which I'm sharing with you. Yeah, so in the video, I don't remember what I've explained, meaning which method I've used. But let me tell you, I think I've not told you this in the video. So let me share that other method. So now this is the conditional identity. If the value of a plus b plus c is 0, then a cube plus b cube plus c cube is 3abc. Let's derive this identity. So how do we derive this? Now if a plus b plus c is 0, so that means we are given that a plus b plus c is 0. A plus b plus c is 0. We have to prove this. So take up a plus b plus c is equal to 0. Transpose any one. Take a to the other side or b to the other side or c to the other side. That is your choice. You can transpose anything to the other side. You can see the next. Write down the the equation given a plus b plus c is 0. Next step is you transpose a or you transpose b or you transpose c. You can transpose anybody. Now say I transpose c to the other side. So then I'll get a plus b is equal to minus c. You can also write a plus c is equal to minus b and continue the procedure which I'm going to tell you. Or you can also write b plus c is equal to minus a, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Of the three
Yes.
terms, you should take one of them to the other side. Anybody. You take a to the other side or b to the other side or c to the other side. Anybody, whomever you choose. So I have taken c to the other side, so it becomes minus c. Now cube on both the sides. Cubing on both sides. Cubing on both sides. So when you cube on both the sides, it looks like a plus b the whole cubed is equal to minus c the whole cubed. Cubing on both the sides. Next, see if you write it like this also same procedure you should do. You should do the same procedure. Now what is a plus b the whole cubed? It is a cubed plus b cubed. Yes, complete it.
Is equals minus c cube.
What is a plus b the whole cubed?
Plus 3ab.
A plus b into a square plus ab plus b square.
B square?
Plus 3a square b plus 3ab square, ma'am.
Yeah, so now we have learned a plus b the whole cubed in two ways. We know a cube plus b cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square. We know this one. And we also know that when we take out 3ab common here between these two terms, when you take out 3ab common, you will get into a plus b, correct? All this is in the video, children. See, if you watch the videos carefully, I shared the videos in the vacation so that you have time to watch. And even if you were on a vacation, all the 30 days, you wouldn't have been out of town. You wouldn't have been holidaying all the 30 days. Some 5-6 days, 1 week at least, you should have been free. And during that time, you should have watched all the videos. All these identities are explained there. How it's derived also. Okay, so that is why I'm not telling anything in detail now. So this is in the video. 3ab common, you will get a plus b. This is what you should use here. Use this one here. A cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b is equal to minus c cubed. Because minus c into minus c into minus c into minus c is minus into minus plus, plus into minus minus, minus c cubed. Okay, a plus b the whole cubed is a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b. That's the expansion. Is equal to minus c the whole cube plus minus will remain c cubed. Now next a cube plus b cube plus 3ab. Now what is a plus b? See here, what is a plus b? It's minus c. Can you see here? What is a plus b? It is equal to minus c. So instead of this a plus b, you must write minus c is equal to minus c cubed. Instead of this a plus b, see what is a plus b? You can see what is a plus b? It's minus c. So instead of this a plus b in the bracket, you must write minus c is equal to minus c cubed. So we have a cube plus b cube minus 3abc is equal to minus c cubed. A cube plus B cube, I am multiplying. Plus 3AB into minus C is minus 3ABC is equal to minus C, the whole cube plus minus C cube. Now transpose A cube plus B cube. This minus C cube when it comes to the left hand side plus C cube. And take this minus 3ABC to the other side, so it becomes plus 3ABC. So like this, we have A cube plus B cube plus C cube is equal to 3ABC. So we have derived the identity. This identity, this is true only when A plus B plus C is 0. This is true only when A plus B plus C is 0.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. All right. So let me just give a simple example to, see the application of this one. A very simple example. Now, supposing you have, supposing we have 5 cubed minus 2 cubed plus 3 cubed. Okay. Oh, no, 1 minute. Okay, so supposing we have 5 cube minus 2 cube minus 3 cube. Now, when you actually calculate what's the value, what is 5 cube? 125. What is the 2 cubed? 8. What is this? 27. Yeah, so what's the answer? I don't know. Please calculate and tell me. What is 125 minus 8 minus 27? Yes, children, quickly.
95.
90, yeah?
90, ma'am.
90. So we got 90. Okay, we got 90. Make a note of this, okay? Now, I'm going to use the identity and get the same answer. Now, see here. A cubed, 5 cubed, plus B cubed, plus minus 2 the whole cubed, plus C cubed, plus minus 3 the whole cubed. You must first express it in the form A cube plus B cube plus C cube. Now it's in the form A cube plus B cube plus C cube. You can take the minus inside. You see now, minus 2 the whole cubed. When you take a plus outside, it doesn't alter the value. When you take a plus outside. First, write the given expression as A cube plus B cube plus C cube. Now check what is A plus B plus C. Now listen children, that is, we know that A cube plus B cube plus C cube is 3ABC. Now this one is A cube plus B cube plus C cube. So the answer is 3ABC. But you should check one thing. You must show that A plus B plus C is 0. Only then you can use 3ABC. If A plus B plus C is not 0, then it is not 3ABC. When you have an expression which looks like A cube plus B cube plus C cube, the answer is 3ABC. Only if A plus B plus C is 0. If A plus B plus C is not 0, then it is not 3ABC. So you should check if A plus B plus C is 0. Now this is A cubed. So that is A is 5. B cubed, that means B is minus 2. C cubed, that is C is minus 3. I've written the values of A, B and C because I have A cubed plus B cubed plus C cubed. So that means A is 5, B is minus 2, C is minus 3. Now what is A plus B plus C? What is A plus, when you add everything, what do you get? 5 minus 2 minus 3, 0. A plus B plus C is 0. So the answer for this one is 3ABC. The answer for this one, A cube plus B cube plus C cube is 3ABC. The answer is 3ABC. 3 into A into B into C. Multiply all this, you will get the same thing, 90. Yes, children? Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So what you see is when you calculate the usual way without the identity, we get 90. The same thing you should get using the identity, and we get 90. But before you use 3ABC, you must show that A plus B plus C is 0. So 3 5s are 15, 15 6 are 90, and minus into minus plus, so 90. So you must be curious to try it the other ways by transposing B and A to the other side. Same steps, follow the same steps. Is it over, children?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. All right, children, I'm clearing the slide. What's our next question? I'll do 7 and 8 because I have a class. It's already time, but I'll just finish 7 and 8, which is easy. Sixth one, I will do it in the next class. I'll share the answer on WhatsApp. We'll discuss in the next class. I'll do 7 and 8 now. I'm just going to do it quickly. It's simple. So seventh one, the question is x square minus y square plus 2x minus 1. Oh no, plus 1. Yes, children, how do we do this?
We put the first 3 terms in bracket and
Ma'am, we can do it as x square plus 2x plus 1. We can take it as a plus b the whole square, ma'am.
Correct. So this is of 8th standard actually. This one is of 8th standard. Now, in this expression, what you have to do is you need to group x square plus 2x plus 1. Correct, Sanjay and Sindhu? And this minus y square. Group these 3 terms because they are exactly of the form a square plus 2ab plus b square. Group these 3 terms. X squared plus, see, I'm not transposing. The signs will not change. It's an expression. It's not an equation. The signs will not change. We're just grouping x squared, 2x and 1 minus y squared. Now this is in the form a squared plus 2ab, 2 into x into 1 plus b square, 1 square. Write that minus y the whole square as it is. See here, x squared. 1 square is 1 and 2ab, 2 into x into 1 is 2x. So clearly these 3 terms are of the form a square plus 2ab plus b square. So this is a plus b the whole square or x plus 1 the whole square minus y square, y the whole square. Now it's of the form a square minus b square, which is a plus b into a minus b, where a is x plus 1 and b is y. A plus b, this is a plus b into, this is a minus b. We have done this in 8th standard, children. Yes, maybe now we will have to take a screenshot since it's time. If you have not done this, please take a screenshot. So it can be like this also.
Completed, ma'am.
All right, children, take a screenshot. I told you. I need to start the next meeting.
Taken.
Yeah. The next one is similar. The 8th one is similar. 16x squared minus 24xy plus 9y squared minus 16z squared. So this is also of 8th standard. So here you can see there is an x squared, there's a y squared, there is 2xy. So you can try to group these three terms. X squared, y squared, xy. So 16x squared can be written as 4x the whole square plus 9y the whole square can be 9y, sorry, not whole square. 9y square can be written as 3y the whole square. Now let's do the middle term. 2 into 4x into 3y. And let's check if we are getting minus 24xy. 4 2s are 8, 2 4s are 8, 8 3s are 24, 24xy. Yes, perfect. We are getting the middle term minus 24xy. We write 16x square as 4x the whole square, 9y square as 3y the whole square. So A is 4x, B is 3y. So 2AB, 2 into 4x into 3y. When you multiply this, we get minus 24xy. Minus 16z square is 4z the whole square. Now, the first three terms, these three terms, it's of the form a square minus 2ab plus b square, which is a minus b the whole square. A minus b the whole square. A is 4x, b is 3y, a minus b the whole square. And write that minus 4z square as it is. Now it's of the form a squared minus b squared, where a is 4x minus 3y and b is 4z. A square minus b square, which is a plus b. This is a. See, this one is a. I've now written a plus b. This is b into a. This is a. This one is a minus b minus 4z. See, when we have factorized, see the last step. You can see two expressions as a product. 4x minus 3y plus 4z into 4x minus 3y minus 4z. So the given expression has two factors. These are the last step. They are the two factors of the given expression. All right, children. Sixth one alone we'll do to the next class.
Thank you. Thank you.
Yeah. Take the screenshot.
Yes.
All right, children. All right, children. So that's it for today's session. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.